yiero dhi nyime kar chung' od bura Yiero Ma Ol Kalou manindo yiero madundo manindo mar manyo jaod bura makono bang' kiarao koro ne wito ngimane. Kisera mar ombulu osebedo kadhiyo nyime kuom kinde ka ywaruok mapek nitiere kind duond buch siasa manindo mar UDA kaachiel kod DCP ka oganda nochako mondo chakre sa 12 mako gwena mar mondo giyier jatelo magidwaro. E kind nendo bende jachung' mar DCP manindo migosi Kamau ojango kanyero chier magin goro ni gidhi yudo loch ka osire kod Senator John Meth mabende en jagoro maduong' mar duond buch siasa mar DCP moyango ni chenro duto nitiere kare.
My name is Sammy Douglas Kamau Awero, the DCP candidate for this by-election on Kalou constituency. I have just cast my vote right now, and I am very, very, very happy at the speed at which the IBC is working. I had the privilege in the morning to visit several of the polling stations or polling centers. The turnout is very wonderful. The people have come out in numbers, and the officers that are there are doing quite a commendable job. Just a few hitches here and there that are common, like in the morning, some of our agents were asked to provide copies of the ID, which is not a requirement by law, but we had the RO solving the problem adequately. So from where I sit, the process is going on very nicely. The security is very tight. The people are coming out in numbers, and I'm urging them to continue coming out. There's still time until 5. Those that are still traveling, we wish them well, safe journeys to arrive here on time, so that every vote counts.
And the process so far is satisfying. We are very satisfied by the plans and the way the IBC is running this election so far. We can't say that we have seen any major issue, especially from the referee, who is the IBC. And I think also in my history as a politician around, this would be one of the highest turnouts that I've seen around that everywhere in the constituency. The people are out, and they are out in large numbers.